Hello viewers, welcome to linuxscale.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Cotonti CMS on Linux Mint 3. Cotonti is a free and open source container management system and a container management framework built based on PHP and uses MySQL database. It is a flexibility of web development framework and also the future set of a container manager with more focus on security, speed and flexibility. Okay, now in this tutorial we will cover the installation procedure of Cotonti CMS on Linux Mint 3. Now here before starting installation we have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 7.0. Okay, now here first of all we have to download the Cotonti CMS package by using wget command. The download is going on. Then after downloading we have to extract this download file by using unzip command. Then we have to list out this directory. Now here we have to change ownership and permission for the extracted directory. Then we have to move the Cotonti directory into the /var/ww/html directory by using move command. Then we have to configure the virtual host for Cotonti CMS. So go to site available location. Here we have to create cotonti.conf file by using vim editor. Now change insert mode. Here we have to create name-based virtual host. So add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enable the site access. Then after enabling we have to enter the host to file. Now change insert mode. Here give our local IP. Then give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache server. Then after restarting our Apache server we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my domain name. Now here we can see Cotonti CMS installation. Now here first of all select our language. Then we have to click next. Then here we can see file permissions. Everything is fine. Now we have to click next. Then here we can see database setting. Here already I have created database and database user. So here we have to pull the database detail. Now here first of all we have to give database port number. Then database username. Then password. Then we have to give database name. Then after filling the details we have to click next. Then here we can see admin user setting. So here we have to fill the admin credential. Here first of all we have to give username. Then password. Then email address. Then finally we have to click install. Then here we can see select our modules. Then after select our modules then we have to click finish. Now here we can see the installation is completed. Then if you want view your site, click here. Then here we can see welcome page of Cotonti CMS. Then if you want login your admin page, click login. Then here we can see login page of Cotonti CMS. Then here we have to give username and password. Then we have to click login. Then finally here we can see admin page of Cotonti CMS. Thus we have seen how to install Cotonti CMS on Linux Mint 3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel LinuxHelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.